You want to take a look? There's a full-length mirror over there. If you want to.
It's fine.
Okay, go ahead and lay down with your head down at this end. Just relax for a second. Just remember to keep your body relaxed and just concentrate on taking nice, big, deep breaths. Yeah. The forceps are going to be the worst pinch about it, the little clamps on there. So if you can handle the clamps, then you'll be good.
Okay.
Dude, you just mixed that with my ball mask on, bro.
Just relax.
Okay, I'm going to get these on where I want to. Maybe a little pinch here.
Are those the clamps?
Yes.
Oh, that doesn't hurt bad.
Good. Just relax, okay?
Okay.
Relax your body and take a deep breath in and out. Good job.
What are you saying?
You're okay.
Yeah, okay.
Is it in?
I just gotta slide it through. Just relax, okay? So stay real still. I just gotta put your ball on, okay?
Okay. Oh. Megan. Stop videotaping.
Oh, that wasn't that bad, actually. Good. Sorry, I just want to get this little ball out, and then you're
Now you know
free.
where to refer your friends.
Free.
Right?
See, no bleeding, no nothing.
Good job, girl.
Wonderful.
Stand up.
Oh, sorry.
See.
Quick and easy.
Megan. Megan.
All right. There we go.